Also released today information about a new label change. We're going to approve a treatment for kids with severe autism that have an antibody or a deficiency of folic acid in the brain. Maybe 20 to 50 or 60% of all the kids with autism have a blocked receptor in their brain that's not allowing their folate, that is their vitamin B9, to get in the brain and for those nerve cells to develop normally. And this medication, leucovorin, bypasses that receptor. And there are incredible stories from doctors of seeing dramatic improvement. So we've got good news and we've got this warning.
So leucovorin is the name of
the sob story of some pharmaceutical company that they're getting, they buy hook, line, and sinker.
Yeah.
And I get that story to me all the time, because the story of my life is I'll walk down the street and somebody will say, oh, you're at the FDA. There's a drug that cures cancer and Alzheimer's, and it also happens to work for Lyme disease and chronic fatigue syndrome, and it's a natural botanical. It's
botanical.
It's and
you had me at botanical.
And it is unfortunately being held up at the FDA over some ridiculous bureaucratic red tape process. And then I'll be like, this sounds a little strange. So get a little review of the file, and you find out it has no effectiveness in any of its pre-specified endpoints in the clinical trials. It doesn't work. And it was only tried against one of those many conditions. The rest were false claims. And they have 5 sterility manufacturing violations.
Yeah, and that's something that people don't know. What are the sterility conditions, the manufacturing conditions, the potency issues in some of these files? But you get to look in the file and you know that.
And there's no way in heck the Wall Street Journal opinion editors know what's in that file. They don't know if there are sterility manufacturing violations. So they take the line of the lobbyists of the companies and they sell it to the world in their pages, hook, line, and sinker. And a lot of times it's the exact same themes, and it's the same pieces that the lobbyists are sending to members of Congress, which then get forwarded on to us. We're going to always stand on the side of science.